Hi friends, I hope you all are safe and having a good time. So today I want to share with you two most important points that you need to realize right now. So let's find out. So the first thing is mortality. We all know that we are all human beings and we are mortal human beings. That means that हम इस दुनिया पर आते हैं और हमारी ज़िंदगी गुजार कर चले जाते हैं और हम में से कोई भी इमॉर्टल नहीं है। हम भले ही ये चीज़ भूल जाए कभी हमारे लाइफ में कि हम सभी को इस हमारी ज़िंदगी में एक अंत भी देखना है और हम इसे रिवर्स नहीं कर सकते. यू कांट चेंज दिस फैक्ट दैट यू आर जस्ट हियर फॉर सम टाइम एंड यू विल पास ऑन. And if today you are breathing, consider yourself very lucky and fortunate, because I must tell you this, that every day somewhere around 2 lakh people die on this planet. Yes, that's every day, and you, me, everyone could be one of them. So if you are breathing today, consider yourself very lucky. And we don't know that when it's going to happen to us. It could be today, it could be tomorrow, it could be after 50 years, after 80 years, after 100 years. Nobody knows about this, and we have to go live by our life without knowing it. But my point here is that we all should appreciate every second that we live on this planet, because this all can be gone in any moment. So please, let's not forget that life is so precious and we need to live each and every moment. So that is the first important thing which I want you to realize right now, and keep this in your mind. और इस चीज़ को हमें कभी भूलना नहीं चाहिए कि हम सभी को कभी ना कभी इस दुनिया को छोड़कर जाना ही है. The second important thing is our brain. Well, just take a deep breath and think about it. Our brain is capable of so many things. It has endless, limitless possibilities that we can think of, different kinds of innovations in technology or well-being of people, welfare of people. There are so many things that we can think with our mind and we can make it happen. आज हम सभी में से कितने लोग कितने सारे इनोवेटिव चीज़ें कर रहे हैं. Some people are making skyscrapers, planes are flying in the air. There are so many innovations that has happened on this planet, and we human beings have done that. So let's not take this granted. Our brain is such a precious thing as well. And in our everyday day-to-day life, हम सभी हमारे काम में बहुत बिजी रहते हैं, घर के काम में या फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना या हमारे रिलेशनशिप्स, हमारे फ्रेंड्स. हमें इस चीज़ को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए और भी चीज़ों पर ध्यान देना है कि हम हमारे माइंड के साथ क्या क्या नया सोच सकते हैं, क्या क्या इनोवेशंस इस दुनिया पर ला सकते हैं. बिकॉज आफ्टर 100 ईयर्स अब जितने भी लोगों को जानते हो आपके लाइफ टाइम में, आपके फ्रेंड्स, आपके फैमिली, आपके कलीग्स, वो सभी आफ्टर 100 ईयर्स इस दुनिया पर नहीं रहेंगे, इंक्लूडिंग यू. हमें हमारी निजी ज़िंदगी के साथ कुछ ऐसे भी सोचना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है कि हम इस दुनिया को क्या देकर जा सकते हैं. इट कुड बी समथिंग इनोवेटिव, इट कुड बी समथिंग फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ people. It could be some revolution which you can bring into this world, something which can bring more peace into this world. You can think of an idea to save water. You can bring out some ideas how to use our natural resources very carefully and not to waste them, because these natural resources are for us and we are not here to take it for granted. मुझे आपको ये वीडियो में इन दो चीज़ों के बारे में इसीलिए बताना था क्योंकि I feel somewhere we all take our lives for granted and we always tend to forget this, that time is so precious and it's always ticking and we are always moving towards the end of our life. It could be any moment from now, and I want you all to always appreciate life, because we are human beings and we are the top tier species on this planet, because we are blessed with such a beautiful body and we have such a brilliant mind. So we all need to do something meaningful in our lifetime. So that's it for today. I hope these two important things bring some motivation in you and bring you that spark which makes you think of the unthinkable. And if you did like this video, please mention in the comment section below and I'll be happy to know about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.